Cough medicine is not recommended in children, as evidence shows that it's ineffective at treating a cough. Some things we do recommend include using a cool mist humidifier or steam from a shower to open up the lungs and air passages and make your child breathe easier. We also recommend ensuring adequate hydration by pushing plenty of fluids, and you can give your child honey as long as they are over 1 year of age. Finally, it's important to give your child lots of rest so they can fight the cough.